Urban prone, urban prone.
Damn!
What's up, YouTubes? Just watching some YouTube, of course. Saw a video about the bad lever. Apparently, some people don't know the difference between a button and a lever. That's not Magpul bad lever's fault. That's your fault for not being smart enough to know the difference. So, quick tutorial. Clear firearm. Magpul bad lever installed. This thing operates as a lever. This is a button designed to be pushed with a pad of a finger. This is a lever. Levers are operated with more than the pad of a finger, usually by some structure part, okay? This is also a lever. The charging handle. Guess what? It's not a button. You don't push it with a finger and pull that back. You hook some piece of structure and pull it. So, let's see what happens if you try to use the lever as a button. Bad things happen. So we don't have to put our finger anywhere inside the trigger guard. Lever operated as supposed to. Now if you try to, it sticks out far enough, you can't see it there, but it sticks out far enough now to where this can be operated just by a simple sweep down. At no point did my finger get inside the trigger guard, and I'm back ready to rock and roll. Again, no finger in the trigger guard. Some people seem to think this is a button, which means you push it with your fingerprint. That's when your finger will fall to the trigger and you could have an ND. That is stupid, okay? Your finger does not go inside the trigger guard using the Magpul back lever. All you do is you sweep up or you sweep down along the fence of the magazine well. It's really, really, really simple. Now some idiots, again, may decide that they want to push that like it's a button. And then your finger will fall onto the trigger and you could have an ND. That would be very, very dumb. Okay? Again, bad lever, pull, no finger in trigger guard. You drop it, hit the switch. Down. No finger goes inside. Now if you're an idiot, and there you go. You will have an ND that way. Please use your brain and know the difference between a button and a lever. Designed for two different parts of the body to operate them. Peace.